Whoa. Are you young and fabulous? Look at that head. He's really high up in the trees. I'm zoomed max. He's in the shade. Is that smart to make a hole right there when you're sitting on the edge? You know what I mean? But you can fly. Hi, Baba. I came all the way just to see you. Thank you for showing up. This is my first stop at Yosemite. And I just looked out of the window and I saw something fly by. I got curious. Came all the way. I don't think my husband even knows where I am right now because I ran after it. Here it is. Whoa, whoa.